What's up guys, we're back and we're in the chop shop. I have to get used to saying that, but we're going to give this thing a bit of a birthday, so let's get stuck into it. This looks so much brighter. We're changing the colour back to white because everyone knows it looks a hell of a lot better, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Ta-da! So as you can see guys, the car is now back to white. So this is the original paint. When I went black, it was this wrap, and I just want to say a huge thanks to Jamie Lewis from Wrapped FX. He actually did pretty much majority, or pretty much all the hard stuff when it comes to wrapping this car. We were all there helping, doing all the, you know, bits of the Liberty Walk kit and the mirrors and all that stuff. It was like a 2 or 3 day process. It was insane. We used Avery wrap, I'm pretty sure it's called that. It's real top quality stuff, and thankfully that made getting the wrap off an absolute breeze of a task. It literally took me, well, it took all of us maybe 4 hours, maybe, I don't know, 3-4 hours to rip everything off, clean it, and yeah, it looks amazing. I freaking love the white. Absolutely love it. Yeah, I'm definitely going to wrap the bonnet white too. I don't want to get it painted because it is carbon, so I'll just wrap it the same white, and then yeah, I think it's going to look freaking awesome. I just got to paint the rest of the wheels black now as well, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, and obviously it's not on the ground because we haven't got the engine and everything back in. So we're still waiting on the clutch from Mantic, which is pretty much the only thing holding us up at the minute. But Mantic are actually going to come on board and help give you guys a discount, which is pretty awesome. I've never done this before, but I know a lot of other dudes in the YouTube world, they'll be like, oh, get discount off my watches, or you know, whatever. I don't really want to end up going down that path. I'd rather, if I was to go down any path with discounts or whatever, it'd be the companies that help support me keep these cars on track. Most importantly would be to give you guys discount on automotive parts. So like clutches, turbos, wastegates, you know, all the stuff you guys use as well as me. So Mantic are going to come on board with that. They're going to give you guys a discount code. That'll be in the next video because we're still finalising it all. But it's pretty awesome. So big thanks to Mantic for that. That's wicked, because obviously they're helping me and then they want to help you guys too. So for all your clutch needs, we're going to help you out in the next video. So look forward to that. As for now, with what I'm going to be doing to the car, pretty much just got to change the diff oil in it. It's got the Winters quick change, so I'm pretty certain I've shown you guys how I do the oil change in that, because it's got 2 compartments. They're technically joint together, and the main section does leak down into the back section. But yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the butt to change oil on that diff, just because I've got a bash plate and everything. But yeah, so I don't think I need to go through that. It's in a previous video. Yeah, literally once we got that clutch, I kind of need it tomorrow, because I need to put this all in, get the engine, everything back in, get it running. Because tomorrow is Wednesday. It's also Brianna's birthday. So everyone wish Brianna a happy birthday. She'd love that. And then yeah, pretty much the next day I got to go to work. As soon as I finish work, I'm going to drive straight over to Sydney. It's like a 15-hour drive, as most of you know. Get to Sydney Friday morning and we'll go straight in the dyno. Yeah, pretty excited about that. And then once the car's all done, I pretty much drive all the way back and get ready for next weekend, which is Adelaide Motorsport Festival, and it's going to be insane because I've got my buddies coming out there with me. We're going to do this big drift demo, and we're going to get some crazy footage, so I'm looking forward to that. But for now, we'll wrap up today's video. Hope you guys are going to like the new look. I can't really show you on the ground because obviously the car's still in the air, but and most of you know what it looks like when it was white, but this time it's going to have white bonnet too, so it's going to be good. Alright, thanks heaps for watching, guys, and oh, another shout out to all you American guys watching. I had no idea there was like an American base that big following. It is awesome. Obviously the more people that follow the better, and I really hope there's going to be a hell of a lot more RBs getting out there soon. So okay, and last but not least, when this video finishes, I want you guys to shut the laptop, turn the phone off, whatever. No more videos after this. Go out in the shed and work on your own projects. Alright, peace out. See you guys.